Hello viewers, welcome to Connecting Dots. In today's video, we are explaining the movie The Platform, an excellent movie by Galder Gaztelu Urrutia. The movie got originally released in Spain and acted by Ivan Massagué. An unique and confusing movie and one of the reasonable movie for the current generation. This video contains spoilers. If you have not watched this movie yet, please watch it on Netflix before you watch this video. This movie is not suitable for children. The movie starts in a future vertical prison. Two cellmates are allowed in a certain level. Food is the main entity. It is prepared and kept on a platform which moves along the lower levels. The platform stops for a specific time in a level. The protagonist wakes up at level 48 and meets his cellmate Timagasi. He learns the rules of the prison from him. The lower level prisoners only get to eat the leftovers of the food consumed by the top level prisoners. If the food is preserved for future use, then the certain levels heat or cold is spiked until they throw away the preserved things or until they die. The management allows a specific thing inside. The protagonist chooses the Don't Cook So It book. Every month, the prisoners are transferred to random levels that summarizes the rules of the prison. One day, a girl named Miharu rides the platform to reach the lower level. The protagonist tries to help her. The girl grows fondness to the protagonist. Timagasi explains that the girl goes to the lower floor to see her child. Moving to flashback, the protagonist voluntarily moves to the prison for 6 months in exchange for a degree. The next month, everyone gets changed to random levels. Timagasi ties the protagonist to his bed even before he is awake. They are in level 171. Since food does not reach the level, Timagasi plans to cut and eat the protagonist all through the month. While doing so, Miharu kills Timagasi. They eat the flesh of Timagasi and leave for the whole month. Next month, they are shifted to a random level. There, the protagonist meets Imagori. She was a former employee of the prison administration. She specifies that she is gonna die and came here voluntarily to change the prevailing situation of the prison. Imagori tries to change the situation and provide equal ration to everyone. In the meanwhile, both of them meet Miharu. The protagonist explains Miharu's situation. Imagori in response says that no one below 16 years is allowed inside the prison. Next month, they are shifted to level 202. Imagori hangs herself so that the protagonist can stay alive eating her body. The following month, he gets shifted to the 6th level. There he meets cellmate Bharat. Bharat gets humiliated asking for help to higher level prisoners so that he can climb to the top level and escape from there. Seeing all this, the protagonist and Bharat join together to make a change and provide food to everyone equally. They provide food to prisoners below level 50 riding the platform. While riding the platform, Bharat finds his teacher in a level. He suggests to send a dish untouched as a message to the administration. While reaching a level, they see Miharu fighting with two people. To defend her, they both fight for her and gets heavily injured. Meanwhile, Miharu gets killed. With grievous injury, they reach level 333 and find a healthy girl. The protagonist changes the notion of the message and concludes that the girl is the message. They provide the untouched dish to the child. Bharat, losing lot of blood, dies to his injuries. The protagonist boards the girl on the platform and he dies looking at her while the platform gets elevated. Now, let's see the hidden meaning of the movie. Wealth disappropriation in the society is nuancedly specified by the director. To quote this, he shows that the food is being moved from higher to lower levels. And education being the key to rectify this, he shows the protagonist carrying the book Don't Cook So It. If we clearly analyze the book Don't Cook So It, the story is based on a person fighting for equality among the society. He also wants to show that educated people can elevate the younger generation to higher levels. In order to achieve equality, educated people should be ready to provide utmost sacrifice to bring the younger generation above the rest. Pen your thoughts on the comment section. If you wish to see more interesting videos, subscribe to Connecting Dots. Until next video, take care.